Example 1 says we should calculate 3 times into bracket 7 minus 3. Solution. In this question, we have a bracket, a subtraction, and a multiplication. BODMAS tells us that bracket comes first. So we calculate 3 times into bracket 7 minus 3, which means you have to carry out the operation of the bracket. No matter the operation that is in that bracket, carry out all the operation in that order. In the bracket, you must also obey BODMAS. If you have 2 or more operations in that bracket, you must also carry out the operation based on order of preference. In this example, in that bracket, we have only subtraction, so you have to subtract. Okay, so 7 minus 3 gave us 4, and then invariably that means the bracket has been simplified to be one term. So you then carry out the operation of multiplication. That is to say 3 times 4, which is equal to 12.